It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Blue Ribbon Sushi at Red Rock in Las Vegas. Now, this is Blue Ribbon Sushi, but it's the same owners as Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken at Bally's, and that's one of my favorite places to eat fried chicken. So today we're gonna have Blue Ribbon Sushi. Let's take a look at the menu and see what there is to eat. Believe it or not, they even have Blue Ribbon style fried chicken right here on the menu at Blue Ribbon Sushi. But of course there is plenty of sushi to be had and lots of other things. Appetizers, teppanyaki. Here's the sushi. Look at all the sushi. Now speaking of the appetizers, there is a whole happy hour of appetizers that you can get every single day. It's from 4:30 to 6 and an hour before closing, and it's basically almost everything on the appetizer menu, but it's $7 each for everything. You got everything from edamame to Blue Ribbon fried chicken wings, shishito peppers, asparagus, eggplant, skewers. There's pork belly and tiger shrimp and chicken thigh. And of course there's drinks. It's happy hour. Alright, so we're gonna get two things from the social hour menu. Everything's $7 menu. We're gonna get the eggplant with sweet miso and the tiger shrimp skewer with tomatillo jalapeno salsa. On the drinks menu, they have beer, wine, but they also have tiki cocktails. Here's basically what you get to choose from here with the tiki cocktails. They're normally $14. You get it for $7. You get the maiden Thai, the pineapple pear. I don't know what these are gonna look like, but the tiki drinks are always fun, so I think we're gonna have to get one. So we got the yuzu daiquiri. This has got rum, yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus fruit, you know, like a lemon. Calpico, the Japanese soft drink that's white, and falernum, some kind of liqueur. This is the shrimp skewer. It's got a tomatillo jalapeno salsa. And this is the eggplant. That's sweet miso. And these are both part of the social hour $7 menu. Okay, shrimp skewer. They're tiger shrimp. That's so nice. It's like, definitely has a grilled flavor and a little bit of spice that kicks in at the end. How about the eggplants? I gotta say, it smells great in this whole restaurant. It's like grilled seafood and just everything smells like it probably, like everything tastes great. So far, the shrimp tastes great. Let's try the eggplant. Wow. It like melts in my mouth with an explosion of flavor. It's like sweet and creamy. I mean, I kind of really like eggplant. I love that. Whoa. Sweet miso. It has that umami. And here is the sushi. This is the hon maguro, the bluefin tuna. This is the binaga, the albacore tuna. This is the spicy crab roll. And this is natto. Let's try this hon maguro. Just dip the fish part. It definitely tastes like tuna. Let's try that out. Yeah. Now we're talking. I'm not even gonna dip this one in any soy sauce. Let's just eat this like it is. That's even more delicate. Not as strong a flavor. I like this one. I think I'll use chopsticks for this spicy crab roll. Blue crab and shiso. Now that's real crab. That's not crab with a K. All right. I'm leaving the best for last, or the worst. I'm really not sure, because this is natto. Fermented soybeans that people either love or hate. Even in Japan, there are plenty of people that don't like natto. It's supposed to be extremely nutritious, though not necessarily delicious. It tastes like beans, like old beans. They're fermented. They're fermented beans, and I think that's where the natto imagine comes from. That's where you get all the nutrition, and whatever the natto does that's good for you, that's what that taste is. What is that taste? Old beans. Natto has a stringiness about it. I guess that's the good part. This is kind of fun. Sticky strings everywhere. It's good and good for you. Oh, like wasabi spices over there. It's a super food. Definitely real crab here in this crab roll, spicy crab roll, and it's not even that spicy, thankfully. And definitely real natto in the natto roll. So Blue Ribbon Sushi from the makers of Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken. It's great, it's really good, and it's pretty authentic Japanese food. Yeah, but you know what? Nothing compares to fried chicken. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about Blue Ribbon Sushi. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can make it.